The quickest and easiest way to send a text message blast in high level. Here we are in high level, but before you can send your blast, you have to get A2P compliance. Now here's the software training area, but the software setup area has a link for a form to fill out. Now, maybe you filled this form out initially, maybe you didn't, but if you have not, fill out the form, and then we'll have all the information with your EIN and all the information specifically about your company to be able to do that for you. Now, there is a fee if we do it for you. I won't say what the fee is because it may change, but it's not very much. You can do it yourself. You can actually go and toggle the help support up here and click down here to get help and talk to the people here to be able to figure out how to do it yourself. So that is another option. But for a small fee, we can do it for you. You do have to do that first, or you cannot legally, the system won't let you send text messages. But once you do that, it's usually a process. You submit it to the government. It's usually anywhere from, I've seen it take 2 days to maybe up to a week. Sometimes it could take longer than that, though. But once that's done, sending text messages is super, super, super easy, right? So all you have to do is, after you have your client list uploaded, which we've got an entire video on how to do that in the software training. I believe it is right here, how to upload your client list. Once you import your list, they'll be in here. This is just a fake list. These are not real people. YouTube, please don't take this video down. This is not real information. So, but basically you're going to select either specifically the people that you want to send, or you can just select everybody. There's only 6 here in this particular test account, but once you click this button, there's a button here to click to select everyone. That's a kind of a critical thing that some of you all have done, is you forgot to select all, and then you only sent to the first page of like 20 people. So make sure that you do select all, and then click send SMS right here. And then when you do that, you click OK. You select the phone number. In this case, this is again a test account. There's no phone number attached to it, but you'll select the phone number that you want to send it from, because you might want more than one phone number. But now the way this is set up, you select the phone number and then you put in the message. Now we've got several different text messages, and I highly recommend that you review some of the messages here for best practices. In this case, it's a New Year. We've got several others down here too, but we'll just kind of pop this in here just to show you. Ideally, I would put in their name, and you do this here. You leave a spot and you click on this little tag and you go to the contact, and I would send their first name. Oh, it accidentally put it down here. So what I'm going to do is copy this and put it here. And what that's going to do is it's going to auto-populate whatever their first name is. So you don't want to go in there and type out everybody's first name, right? So everybody's first name will be there. If it happens to be at the end, you need to copy and paste it to where you need it to be. But it's going to populate contact's first name. Now, I highly recommend that you test this with yourself, and then call it whatever you want to call it. That's just so that you can track it, and then click send SMS. That's all there is to it, guys. Super, super easy. Highly recommend that you do this for your current clients between every 2 and 4 months, just to touch base. If you notice, without going into all the training, for the most part, well wishes of New Year, spring, summer, and just a quick touch of, hey, just letting you know if you need any cleaning, we're here. If you have any questions, shoot me a text back, or here's our phone number, call us. And then that's it. It's just touching base with your past clients and keeping that relationship.